Hello friends, myself Vivi Golkar, Assistant Professor, Sales of Technology, Chiltern. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about Jacobian of composite function. So let us see the definition. If x and y are functions of u and v, and u and v are functions of r and theta, then this x and y becomes the function of r and theta. So here x and y both are function of u and v. U and v are function of r and theta. This implies x and y become function of r and theta. So now we are going to differentiate this x and y with respect to r and theta. That is dou of x y with respect to r and theta. In such case, what you have to do? First, we have to differentiate x and y with respect to u and v. Dou of x and y with respect to u and v. Then differentiating u and v with respect to r and theta. That is dou of u and v with respect to r and theta. So this is the Jacobian of composite function. Let us see some example. If x is equal to a into u plus v, y is equal to b into u minus v, u is equal to r square cos 2 theta, v is equal to r square sin 2 theta. Then find dou of x and y with respect to r and theta. So let us see the solution. Here given x equal to, so it simplifies one, a into u plus a into v, y is equal to b into u minus b into v, u is equal to r square cos 2 theta and v is equal to r square sin 2 theta. Here we can see x is function of u and v, and y is also function of u and v, and u is function of r and theta, and also v is also function of r and theta. So first I will get the relation. X and y both are functions of u and v. Here x and y are both the functions of u and v, and this u and v are functions of r and theta. So this implies x and y are functions of r and theta. So this implies dou of xy with respect to dou of rt. So this is our question. Here we have to find x and y with respect to r and t. So for that, what I do? First I will differentiate x and y with respect to u and v. Then I will differentiate u and v with respect to r and theta. So I will take this one as some equation number 1. So one by one I will simplify. First I will take here dou of xy upon dou of uv. So this becomes determinant of, so this indicates x with respect to u and x with respect to v. Dou of x upon dou u, dou of x upon dou v. Then y with respect to u and y with respect to v. Dou of y with respect to u and dou of y with respect to v. So one by one I will find the values here. First one is x with respect to u. So differentiating x with respect to u, taking v as constant, because here x is dependent variable, u and v are independent variable. So dou x upon dou u. So derivative of a into u with respect to u is a, and derivative of a into v is 0. So here I will get this as a. Then dou x upon dou v, differentiating x with respect to v, taking u as constant. Here a is constant, u is constant, derivative of constant is 0, and a into v with respect to v is a only. Next, y with respect to u, differentiating y with respect to u, taking v as constant. So derivative of b into u is b, and this one is 0. So here remaining is what? b. Then y with respect to v, differentiating y partially with respect to v. So derivative of b into u is 0, and minus b into v is minus b. So this implies, if I simplify this one, a into b is what? Minus ab. This is again minus ab. So this becomes minus 2ab. So that is what? Dou of xy with respect to u and v. So next I will find u and v with respect to r and theta. U and v with respect to r and theta. First I will give determinant, that is u with respect to r and u with respect to theta. Dou of u with respect to r, dou of u with respect to theta. Then v with respect to r, v with respect to theta. So this implies so here we have to differentiate this u with respect to r. Differentiating u with respect to r, obviously theta becomes constant. Here u is dependent variable and r and theta both becomes independent variable. Derivative of r square is 2r, and derivative of this one is what? Constant. So that is 2r into cos theta. Then u with respect to theta, differentiating this one with respect to theta, r square become constant. Derivative of cos 2t is 2 theta is minus 2 into sin 2 theta. So there is minus 2 r square sin 2 theta. Then v with respect to r, differentiating v with respect to r, again derivative of r square is 2r, and this one is constant, that is 2r into sin 2 theta. Then v with respect to theta, so that r square is constant, so we write as it is. Derivative of sin 2 theta with respect to theta is 2 into cos 2 theta. So again I will simplify this one. So dou of uv with respect to dou of r theta. So I will simplify this one. So I will solve the determinant. So this becomes 2r cube 4 r cube, 2 into 2 4, r into r square is r cube into cos square 2 theta, minus, here we have one minus sign, so this becomes plus, again 2r square into 2r is 4r cube into sin square 2 theta. So therefore dou of u v with respect to dou of r theta is equal to, here 4r cube is common, so remaining is here cos square 2 theta and sin square 2 theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1, so this implies remaining is 4r cube. Now I will put these two values, this one and this one in equation number 1. So equation number 1 becomes dou xy with respect to dou of r theta is equal to, so this one is what here, minus 2ab into 4 r. This implies minus ab r. That is dou of xy with respect to dou of r theta is equal to minus aab r. So this is our required answer. So in this video we have seen definition of Jacobian of composite function, and we have solved one example on Jacobian of composite function. Thank you.